You've landed on the moon show. Bitcoin is right now pumping exactly as I predicted, and now we made $70,000 on my long position here. Hopefully you guys opened up Bitcoin positions when I told you to. We opened up so many limit orders, only some of them got opened, but definitely right now we are looking super healthy with this bullish divergence that we were talking about, because obviously on the weekly time frame, we have a beautiful bullish divergence. If you go into the daily, we also have a bullish divergence, which is why I told you guys to open up long positions. You can look at this like this. And I also showed you that even if we go to the 4-hour time frame, even there, you will find a bullish divergence like so. Basically, that's why I am right now into this long position here over on Bitcoin. And of course, if you want to open up a position on Bybit, link is down below. I also opened up positions over on WEEX. You can see here, these are the positions I showed you guys. 30% profits on Bitcoin and 74% profits on Ethereum. Absolutely beautiful. And not only that, but I also earlier today showed you that I am opening up positions over on UBIT as well. No KYC. You can sign up right now, no KYC, to both UBIT and WEEX. And you can see down here that we made 40% today on Cardano. We made 23% today on Bitcoin, 50% on Ethereum, 22% on Dogecoin, and 40% on on Link. Absolutely incredible. I still have some crazy pollen allergies. If you can smash the like button, give me 500 likes, that will help me with my pollen allergies. Anyways, where is the target for Bitcoin right now? Well, let's talk about it. All right, so my initial immediate target now is going to be the major resistance up here. From previous support there, previous resistance there. So I am fully long right now, and if you guys want to open up long positions, then of course you should use the links down below. Just click the links down below here and you can find my WEEX link, which is no KYC, Bybit link, safe is in the crypto industry. BTCC, they have also no KYC, and right now you can check out the link down below, because if you click the BTCC link, then you can get up to $30,000 in bonus and also 33% discount on trading fees. These are the only exchanges I recommend. If you are in Europe right now, go to SwissBorg. They are fully regulated, fully regulated. SwissBorg is, I would say, very secure and also reliable. I hold a lot of my money there. You get 50 euro bonus with my link down below. All right, so my immediate target is 66,000, but I'm going to tell you guys right now, I am super bullish. I actually really think that Bitcoin has a very decent chance to go all the way back up towards $80,000 level and basically start the next bull market. I know that many people are bearish right now, thinking Bitcoin is going to go much lower. But if you look at the bullish divergence and also the fact that we don't really have any reasons to go lower, I mean, obviously you can talk about micro strategy. Maybe we can look at MSTR here, and people say that this is going to go to zero, but I'm not so sure. Like, I'm actually not so sure. I think that MSTR is looking oversold right now. It is also looking like it's getting a bullish divergence here. So to be honest, I think MicroStrategy might be a great buy right now if you have spare change. Obviously, most people lost all they have in crypto already, because crypto has been absolutely destroyed. But if you have any USDT left, or if you have any cars to sell, yeah, sell your cars, buy some MSTR, buy some Bitcoin, deposit money to your Bybit account, link down below, and start trading, because I think now is the time where we can actually make a lot of money. Not only can we make back what we lost in the bear market, but we can make it back many times over. So don't make the mistake to get left behind. Now is the time. So go below this video, sign up to these exchanges right now, open up these positions. I mean, look at this. Only in one day, these are the profits we made over on UBIT. Absolutely crazy. It's absolutely crazy. And if you use my UBIT link, you will get a deposit bonus. They are right now giving 50,000 USDT and also instant VIP too if you use my link. Now, let's talk also about Ethereum. Why? Because I do have a position open here. So if you go to Ethereum, look at this. We opened up all the way down at the bottom here. Isn't that beautiful, guys? That is absolutely beautiful. And going out on the daily here, I personally think Ethereum is massively oversold. I mean, you can see it yourself, right? Massively oversold. And I think that Ethereum is bound to go back towards, let me show you exactly where I think we're going to go back up towards. Because I do believe Bitcoin will get a bounce. That means Ethereum is going to probably bounce back towards 2.3K level. And that's, of course, a extreme move with when you counter or when you count also leverage, right? Because with leverage we already made 72% profits today or in the past few days here. Absolutely beautiful. So that's $17,000 straight into our account. So if we keep going up here, then obviously these positions will be worth a lot. So sorry guys, really my pollen is really bad. What I wanted to say is that these positions I'm opening right now, I'm gonna hold them for hopefully a full year or for 2 years, the whole bull cycle. That means the amount of money we will make from these positions is crazy, because obviously Bitcoin will go to minimum 200K this cycle, maybe even 500K. Then of course my like $3 million of positions will be worth probably, you know, tens of millions. So if you want to open up positions right now, like I do, then of course you can do that with your own risk, because it's always risk to open positions. But these are the exchanges I do recommend, and they do have no KYC, meaning that you can trade from anywhere, even from the land of the not so free. And if you go back to let's see here, yeah. Long story short, I think Bitcoin could actually go all the way back to this this yellow line. This yellow line is all the way up at $85,000. So yep, that's my next target, guys. And I don't know what to say. Like, people say that MSTR and MicroStrategy is a big black swan. It's gonna collapse. I really see no chance of that, or at least extremely low, because why would they collapse? They hold a lot of Bitcoin, and their interest rate is so cheap that they can service the debt for decades. There's no risk that MicroStrategy will get liquidated. That's my understanding, you know. And they also signed on this paper so that they can sell $1 billion worth of Bitcoin to service the debt. I think they probably can service debt for hundreds of years with that money. So let's not freak out. I think MicroStrategy is going to be the big winner of this cycle. So I'm gonna buy some MicroStrategy right now. I told you guys that I'm gonna buy if we go down to $80, and I mean, we're back to $100 already, but I think it's a good time to do some dollar cost average into MicroStrategy, because in the bull market, MicroStrategy stock will be basically like leverage. It's going to be like Bitcoin X2. So yeah, not financial advice. You do whatever you want, guys. And also, don't forget to go check out my music channel, Carl Moon Music. Please go check it out. My Carl Moon Dragon music video is already soon 1 million views, which is incredible. And then you can see the behind the scenes as well. I'll link the music video right here. You can click it right now. I do appreciate every single like and comment I can get on it. Please, thank you. And trade safe. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.